And Ange picked up ourselves a drone a while ago. It's one of the older ones now, the Mini 4. But I couldn't help myself. I went and put some reflective tape on it a while ago now. So tonight, we're gonna play hide and seek. Ange is gonna go and sneak it out in the bushes over there somewhere and hide it on me. Or up in there somewhere, a fair way up in there. And I want to get out with a lead lens, a torch, and see if I can find it. And see if these reflectors, how good they work at night. Just in case we lose it, one day I might be able to get it during the night if I can see the reflectors reflecting. So yeah, I'll let you know how it goes tonight. I'll do a night video so we can see it. Alright, time to go out and have a look for the drone. Ange has planted it. I'll turn my head torch on. So Ange has come out here earlier and planted the drone. Oh, they're little buggers. So hopefully, having them things on it, I'll be able to find it, but it doesn't look good so far. Look at that. Crash landed drone. Look, sticks out like dog's balls. Bloody beauty. Just goes to show. Putting the reflective tape on's a good thing. You just never know when you're going to end up in a tree. Especially the way I fly. Just for shits and giggles, I'm going to stick this on here. Just see how far I can see it from back here. Go for a bit of a walk. Bloody nice night. About a rip a day. It's been, I don't know, 26, 27 degrees in Tassie. Wow, check that out. That's 30 metres away. That's wicked. Like a bloody guidepost. 50 metres away. Imagine that was up in that tree there, you'd see it easy as piss. Anyway, I'm glad I've done that. A good little night test.